Things are looking grim today, I ain't gonna lie. It's looking grim. BTC retesting this blue line, and we thought we had a very, very nice breakout. We thought we were going to go and fly after this. But it's retesting it, it's testing people's patience, and especially with the news that dropped the other day, with the print that we saw, it reduces the chance of rate cuts, so maybe we'll get a major correction on Bitcoin, who knows. Hopefully not. But also hopefully, because if we do get a major correction to, let's say, about 110k, which should correlate with the moving average and give us a correction into the August-September months, it'd line up perfectly with a blow-off top in November, December, which is what we'd all want to see, and maybe even an alt season, because Ether or Ethereum is doing well also. So it is going to retest maybe one of these regions here, maybe even lower to here, 3800. It wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, and I'd pick it up for that amount because I believe it is going to go higher. So it is a win-win. If you look at it like a win-win and you're not all into the markets, it's not the worst thing in the world, because we were edging into greed and we're coming back into that neutral region again, and maybe we will explode higher after this. Let's actually check out what people are saying about this. So alts continue to drop against ETH, trend likely to continue until ETH puts in an all-time high, and we've been saying this on the channel for a while. So if you were watching, maybe you were up to date, and even if you didn't take action, at least you had that information at your fingertips. Bitcoin. So maybe we will fly with alts after that if there is, and the Fed does announce rate cuts, because I've seen the way meme coins were flying. You know, when I used to go over to CoinGecko and I used to look at the meme coins in my portfolio, these used to be flying. And this is just, this is an error from CoinGecko. But some of these used to be flying, man, especially when the rate cuts buzz was around the corner. But now everybody thought rate cuts were priced in, and now they're going to get priced out of the market with this correction and hopefully an explosion later into the year. It's falling below the 50 EMA, pressure selling at the order block, caution, high possibility of going a bit lower, but it's nothing to worry about. And we also need to know and look at what's outperforming Bitcoin, because alt season has begun, but you don't want to be holding something that's not outperforming Bitcoin, because you might as well have held Bitcoin. So Ethereum Classic, BNB, ENS, Litecoin, which is mad, XRP. These are the ones that are outperforming. Say, Aave, we've mentioned these before. ETH, Hype, Uni, Aero. I've mentioned all of these to you. But Pengu is the one that is kind of mad. And M, I haven't really heard about. And I don't really want to be going in after it's done a 500%. But nobody's prepared for this with ETH. Nobody's prepared for that going to about 300 again, and nobody's prepared for Bitcoin to go to 88k. Everybody would tell you it's over, it's a double top, but it could still go higher after that and it'd be more bullish. All the MicroStrategy loudmouths are now silently shaking in their boots. Remember, MicroStrategy bought a lot of Bitcoin. If there is another U high left, it has to go now and not look back. Other way, time is up and we are heading for a 4-year cycle low. The irresponsible long cut, about to find out how irresponsible they really are. 35,000% is just not enough for some people. Some people are way too greedy, bruh. And this is why things are looking red and bearish in the market. And this may be the narrative to head into August and September to see a lot more red. Let us see. But usually it shows us that it is seasonally not the best time for crypto holders. People are going on holiday. Nobody really wants to invest in the markets, especially with Fed not cutting rates. The businesses won't have more money to invest as well. So I think institutions will probably prepare themselves during these months before a blow off top, where they will probably dump on everyone in Q4, maybe even early 2026. We shall see how it all plays out and go from there. Move accordingly day by day.